Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. These are the 10x42 binoculars from the company Apeman. BC100 is the model number. Again, 10x42 in this. With all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos just in case there's somebody out there who's thinking about buying the same item, wants to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. Quick glimpse at the box. Let's open it up to see what we get. This company does have a website and a Facebook address. And again, I bought this item on Amazon. So, first thing you get is a neck strap. I believe this is going to be for the binoculars, and I think the case will have a neck strap as well. It's all cloth. It looks like it's got some pleather ends to it, or leather, probably pleather. Pretty standard, no logo, anything like that on it. They give you this neat little piece here. What this is this is a piece that you're going to mount to the back of your cell phone. I'll show you real quick. You mount it to your cell phone, and then you're going to adjust this eye, the small end, so that it goes right over the camera of your phone. You're going to tighten that, and then you're going to put the larger end through the binoculars, and what it allows you to do is to film whatever your binoculars are seeing. I'll try and attach an example video just so you can see the quality or how that works, but it's a neat little item. Polishing cloth, a hello thank you card from Apeman. These binoculars do have a 12-month, 1-year warranty, but it looks like you can extend it to 24 months if you email them. And then the instruction manual looks like it's written in a few different languages. Let's take a look at the binoculars themselves. Nice soft cloth case. Again, leather on the outside. It's got a Velcro enclosure, no snaps, no zippers. It does not have a belt loop on the back here, but it does have a neck carrying case. For 10x42 binoculars, these are nice and light. Apeman logo right here. Eyepiece covers. Multi-coated lenses. Field of view is 5.6 and 87 meters or 1,000 meter. Twist up eye cups. An adjustable diaphragm here. And then what I really like is you've got these eyepiece covers that you can leave on, or you can slide them off if you wish to have them off. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. Hope that helps.